Hey, what's going on? Welcome back again. In this video, the topic is how to use Notion Web Clipper on your Mac computer. It's pretty simple, so let's get started with it right now. The first and major thing you should keep in mind is that Notion Web Clipper is just an extension, and it's not really an app that works on its own, and it's completely fine. So now the question is, which browser do you normally use to browse the web? Because we need to install the extension for said browser. If it's Safari, you can look up the Mac App Store for Notion Web Clipper and you should be able to find it. So download it and install it the proper way. Inside Safari, click on the Safari settings that can be accessed in the top left panel and choose the extensions page. In there, you just activate the Notion Web Clipper extension and make sure it'll work. Then the Notion icon will be visible in your Safari browser and you'll be able to quickly save web articles directly to your Notion database. If you, however, use Google Chrome, for example, you need to also get the extension, but now from the Google Chrome extension store instead. But trust me, the process is basically the same. You just install it as an extension, and then on any website that you'll use, you just click on the Notion button and save the article or whatever you're viewing on the internet into your Notion files. And that is going to be it from me. I really hope you managed to get it work on your device. If you did, let me know below in the comments. And even if not, let me know as well, because I'd love to know what I can do better. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.